A patch of grass emerged as a symbol of prosperity in 1950s American suburbia, coinciding with television's rise to the mainstream. Advertisers seized upon the suburban lawn as another symbol of domestic bliss and status. Modern lawns are a symbol of both conformity and success. Homeownership itself has become a feat, and many pour significant time and money into manicuring their lawns, engaging in an unwritten competition for the most pristine grass on the block. In the 1950s, as suburban lawns sprawled, the lawn-obsessed sought technological conveniences. The post-World War II agricultural boom made innovations like chemical fertilizers and pesticides widely accessible, revolutionizing lawn care. Sprinklers were iconic, but not new, with the first ornamental lawn sprinkler patented over 150 years ago in 1871, followed by the rotary sprinkler in 1897 and the horizontal action impact drive sprinkler in 1935. Lawnmowers have been around for nearly 200 years, replacing scythes. The first practical push mower was invented by Edwin Beard Budding in 1830, inspired by a cloth shaving machine. 12 years later, he invented the adjustable wrench. Budding's mower inspired more, like the first real mower in 1868, followed 2 years later by a lighter, simpler push mower that became widely popular. The first commercial gasoline-powered mower was introduced in 1902, and in 1922, the first self-propelled riding lawn tractor was released. Lawn care fanatics can even go pro, perfecting sports lawns as expert groundskeepers. In tennis, grass courts require the most upkeep, offer the fastest play, and produce a low, unpredictable bounce. They are also the most slippery courts. Wimbledon, the only grass Grand Slam, is the most iconic. Its courts are sown with 100% perennial ryegrass and cut to a quarter-inch height. For loads of lawn and more, consider golf course greenskeepers. Augusta National, home of the Masters, is famed for flawless turf and striking azaleas, with whole names nodding to its past as a plant nursery. Featuring bentgrass greens and fairways that start as cool season ryegrass and later transition to heat-loving Bermuda. This course avoids striped mowing patterns, preferring a uniform look. In golf, greens are typically cut to 1/8 inch and fairways to 1/2 inch. Country club sports keep a short cut, but field sports use taller grass cuts, about 3/4 inch for football and 1 1/4 inches for baseball. Home lawns are maintained at a more relaxed height of 2 to 3 inches, an overgrown jungle by sports standards. For even more sports, mowing machines can compete in motorsports. Lawnmower racing, a quirky and affordable motorsport since circa 1970, typically takes place on dirt tracks that evolved from open fields. Races range from sprints to 12-hour endurance. Mowers compete in classes from stock to super modified, with upgraded engines and more. Depending on the class, mowers can reach speeds over 60 miles per hour. Cutting blades are always removed for safety. If mowers feel too miniature, consider their larger counterpart in tractor pulling, where torque trumps speed and tractors can reach 10,000 horsepower and weigh 10,000 pounds. Dubbed the world's heaviest motorsport, tractors compete to pull a weighted sled the furthest down a dirt track. In absence of pulling aspirations, tractors can mow fields and harvest sod to use for lawns. In place of gas guzzlers, grazers can offer low-tech lawn maintenance. Goats excel at clearing overgrown areas and controlling weeds, while gentle grazing sheep are ideal for lawn upkeep. Both are compact enough for suburban settings and include the bonus of sporadic fertilizing. Cattle are also used for managed grazing, though they're better suited to large fields. The risk of predators increases in rural areas, and livestock guardians can offer protection. While dogs are commonly used, there are other guardians, including some that graze. Put the ass in grass because donkeys are excellent guards. These territorial, selectively hostile animals excel at chasing off predators, biting and kicking any they can't scare away. Llamas have similar traits and can also serve as effective livestock guardians. With grazers on grass duty, throw in a guardian for good measure and a mower built for speed. You'll have the neighborhood talking about more than just your lush lawn in no time.